Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to play Fortnite on a school Chromebook. So this video is going to go ahead and show you guys how to do that. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So basically guys, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and find a browser that you're familiar with. Now, basically it can be any browser guys, as long as you have a search engine integrated into it. So basically what you're going to want to do is in the description of this video, I'm going to have a link to a website that's going to allow you to stream the game for absolutely free. So basically what you're going to want to go ahead and do is just paste the link, and you guys can see that it's called playgeforcenow.com. Now, basically once you actually have it in the search engine, just go ahead and search it up. Now basically guys, from here, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is sign up for an account if you haven't already and log in. Now you can pretty much do that, and then all the way at the bottom there's going to be a few sections you can actually select from. Now we obviously want to play Fortnite for today's video, so head over to the free to play section and find Fortnite. Basically go ahead and click on it now, and you guys can see that you actually have the option to play right here. Now it's as easy as clicking the play button and going ahead and actually playing it. So you can see here that I am currently not signed into the GeForce Now, but when you're actually signed into the GeForce Now, it will actually let you play Fortnite. So make sure you guys have an account with GeForce Now and log into it before actually clicking play. But basically from there, it's very easy guys, and pretty much you can go ahead and play it, and it'll stream off of the GeForce Now servers. So it's very easy to do guys, and pretty much hopefully you found this information helpful. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure you guys leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll go ahead and see you guys for some of my other videos.